Passed a law back in 1981 requiring the railroad's food and beverage business must break even every year, and that has never even happened once. Here's why. Amtrak charges passengers $2 for a soft drink. The railroad $3.40 when you add in all the costs and labor costs. A hamburger goes for $9.50 on the train, but it costs Amtrak $16 for each one it sells. Throw in up to $7 million a year in employee theft, and Amtrak has squandered $834 million of taxpayer money over the past decade. That's according to our auditors. House Republicans have been forced to close a loophole in the new Stock Act law. That's what was uncovered by CNN. This crackdown on congressional insider trading was signed by the president in April. It requires lawmakers to report all stock trades of $1,000 or more within 45 days. But members of the House had a rather unique
Did you make yourself cough?
They didn't think the law applied to their spouses or dependents. The bill's sponsor, Massachusetts Senator Scott Brown, not too pleased about that.